Hi, my name's Lewis with Neff Rentals. I'm here with Matt from Wimco Corporation. Today we're going to go over the safe operation of a John Deere 310J backhoe. Matt has completed the daily walk-around inspection and he's now going to enter the cab and find the operator's manual.
Attach seat belt. Check controls and make sure they function freely and properly and return to center. Turn key and crank machine. Check horn. Release parking brake. Hold down brake, put unit in reverse to check backup alarm. Raise and lower front loader bucket. Tilt front loader bucket. Put equipment into gear. Put machine into forward and drive machine. Engage four-wheel drive function on the backhoe. Bring machine to a full stop. Lower the loader bucket to the ground. Engage parking brake. Turn seat to face the rear of the machine. Lower the outriggers until the rear of the machine is off the ground and level. Release boom lock. Extend boom in and out. Use dipper boom function. Swing boom left and right. Lower unit onto ground and turn off switch and remove the key. Exit machine.